In today's video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the world of startups and why so many founders are turning to this cutting-edge technology. Let's uncover what's driving this trend and how you can benefit from it. So, get ready for a fascinating journey into the universe of AI startups. Welcome to the AI Lib. One of the things we're all witnessing is the encroachment of AI into almost every piece of society. Every business transaction and everything we use with computers is experiencing a new burst of technology. For instance, in the summer of 2023, about 50% of the startups Y Combinator backed used advanced language models. The fact that half the batch is working with AI is an emergent phenomenon of what the brightest founders want to work on now. Speaking of these founders, take a look at what they have to say about the state of the art in artificial intelligence.
What are current AI tools good at, in a general sense?
Yeah, really, really good question. I think one of the things that's really counterintuitive about generative AI tools is that they're really good at what we thought they would be really bad at, which is sort of creative storytelling work.
They're pretty good at being able to take like arbitrary data and be able to answer questions about it.
Because there's so much new type of data, like it's really hard to adapt, and so we are currently fine-tuning all of our models on these new types of data to make it as accurate as possible.
For fashion, for very specifically, there are new terms popping up all the time. You have to keep updating these models to know, for this month, the trend is mermaid court, but for next month, maybe it's ballet court.
You need to really give them structure about how it should look like and give them one particular task to do, and then they do it very well.
If you're able to think through the process that you go through, then you can actually engineer a prompt or engineer a sequence of steps so that you can have that entire process be even more reliable than you would be.
It's important to just be very iterative in your process and just debug and tune and iterate on your prompts as you go.
The most ambitious and smartest founders are going after AI because it is definitely an exciting field. GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 have exceeded many expectations, impressing a lot of smart people. When smart people start paying attention and building, big generational companies are being built right now. Regarding the summer 2023 batch, the YC team commented on the quality of the ideas that emerged during that period.
Yeah, there absolutely hasn't, and we definitely saw this in the last batch with all the pivoting companies.
Oh, yes.
People don't always realize this, but many of the companies get into YC, within a month after we fund them, they're looking for a new idea because the old thing didn't work or they lost interest in it or something. And it's normally not actually that easy to find a great startup idea for teams to work on, but man, was it easy last summer.
Oh my God.
It was just great startup ideas just lying on the ground. You'd trip over them. Yeah.
That was I think you actually had a tweet about it. That went pretty viral that talked about this is the batch ever in your whole career working at YC where founders got to good ideas the fastest ever.
And Hard has been here even longer.
Yeah, no, it definitely feels unique. I've never had so many successful pivots.
There's an old saying, where there's muck, there's brass. Boring ideas can be incredible businesses. We see startup ideas that look shiny but trap founders. With AI being so new, it's hard to identify these traps early. Founders should focus on solving specific needs for users rather than generic, abstract solutions. The success of companies working with customized language models shows the value of tuning models for specific data sets, especially for industries like healthcare and fintech. There's a pattern of smaller, customized models performing better in specific domains. So, it reminds us of the early days of the internet when building good software was hard and technologists were at the forefront. Despite dismissals of AI as just another tech fad, the potential for groundbreaking startups is immense. Being at the beginning of a new AI cycle offers incredible opportunities. Remember, where there's muck, there's brass. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of AI startups. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And while you're here, be sure to check out the videos on your screen for more great content. Until next time, and keep innovating.